Kareena Kapoor Khan opens up for the first time on Saif Ali Khan's attack. Still can't sleep at night. Saif Ali Khan's shocking stabbing incident in early 2025 sent shockwaves across the country. The actor, who was attacked by an intruder, Mohd Shariful Islam Shehzad, during an attempted robbery at his residence, bravely fought back and sustained serious injuries. Thankfully, he has now fully recovered and the intruder is behind bars. For the first time since the horrifying incident, Kareena Kapoor Khan is breaking her silence, opening up about the emotional aftermath, the impact on her family, and how her sons see their father as a real-life superhero. In a recent interview, Kareena revealed just how unsettling the entire episode was for her, especially knowing it happened inside their children's room. "I think I am still kind of struggling with what it does to see someone there in your child's room. Because back home, I mean in Mumbai, you never really hear about such incidents. It is very common in the US. In Mumbai, we have never really heard about such incidents. We have still not come to terms 100%. At least I haven't," she confessed. Kareena, who admitted it took her months to sleep peacefully again, said, "I was very anxious for the first couple of months. It was very difficult to sleep and get back to the person with that kind of normalcy. As time has passed, she's slowly finding her footing again. But somehow, I realized that the memory fades more and more. It's there in your heart. It is like death. When you lose someone, you never really get over it. That's what I have always perceived, that you never really get over that," Kareena reflected. "I don't want to live in that fear for my children because that's also wrong to put that stress onto them." Kareena's strength clearly comes from her family. Speaking about Saif and their boys, Taimur and Jay, she shared how the experience shaped them. "We are definitely stronger as a unit. I hope that my two boys will grow up being a different kind of resilient because they have kind of seen their father being attacked. My little one still says, 'My father is Batman and Iron Man. He can take on anyone.' That's the way he looks at it. But it hasn't been easy watching her children confront the harshness of reality at such a young age." Kareena admitted, "They have seen blood and everything, but that trauma I somehow feel will make Taimur and Jay a lot more of a different kind of man. They have also been so sheltered, and then, they have suddenly seen this. Somehow, I feel it's an experience that has brought them out of that shelter and a little more into reality that this can actually happen." When asked about how she personally handled the trauma, Kareena got candid. "As a parent, I am trying not to put my stress and anxiety onto them. But as a person, it has shaken me to the core. I have to move with it." Saif tells us that we can't live in that fear. "It has happened. It's gone. It was very unfortunate. We are trying our best." She didn't mince her words about the trolls who criticized her for not being at home when the incident took place. Kareena responded with clarity, "It was utter and complete garbage. It just makes me not even angry but feel sad. Is that the consumption that people really want? That's what saddens me. Is this the digital age we are talking about?" Despite the chaos, Kareena remains focused on healing and moving forward with her family. As for her professional front, she's gearing up for her next big film, Daira, directed by Meghna Gulzar, opposite Prithviraj Sukumaran.